Hi! In front of me is OPPO Reno 8T, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off high performance mode on this OPPO. You need to start by opening settings. In them, scroll all the way down and access battery section. Now scroll all the way down again, click on More Settings, and finally tap on this gray switcher next to High Performance Mode. In order to activate it, select OK in the pop-up, and as you can see after that, High Performance is enabled. But you can always disable it by tapping on the same No Blue switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!